Did you know businesses using advanced marketing strategies are 3 times more likely to outperform their competitors? That's a game changer. In today's digital age, effective marketing isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Think of it like this. You have an amazing product, but nobody knows about it. It's like a tree falling in the forest with no one around to hear it. Marketing is about making noise, getting noticed, and ultimately, driving sales. Effective marketing helps you reach the right audience at the right time with the right message. It builds brand awareness, fosters trust, and ultimately, converts prospects into loyal customers. Without it, your business is just another voice lost in the digital wilderness. The marketplace is a crowded space. Thousands of businesses are vying for your target audience's attention. This is where strategic marketing comes in. It's about differentiating yourself from the competition, highlighting your unique selling proposition, and showcasing why customers should choose you. A strong marketing strategy acts as your megaphone, amplifying your message and making you stand out from the noise. Remember, it's not just about shouting the loudest. It's about crafting a message that resonates with your target audience, addresses their pain points, and offers solutions they can't resist. Marketing isn't without its challenges. 2 of the biggest hurdles businesses face are market oversaturation and constantly evolving consumer behaviors. Oversaturation means there's a lot of noise and competition in your market. It's tough to cut through the clutter and grab your audience's attention. On top of that, consumer behaviors are changing faster than ever before. Today's consumers are bombarded with information, have shorter attention spans, and are more discerning than ever before. To succeed, your marketing needs to be agile, adaptable, and laser-focused on your target audience's needs and preferences. Section 4. Winning strategies, conquering oversaturation and changing behaviors. So, how do you overcome these challenges? It starts with understanding your audience. Conduct thorough market research to identify their demographics, interests, pain points, and online behavior. Once you know your audience inside out, tailor your marketing messages to resonate with their specific needs and desires. Leverage the power of social media to connect with your audience on a personal level, build relationships, and foster trust. Embrace content marketing by creating valuable, informative, and engaging content that addresses your audience's pain points. Don't underestimate the power of video marketing. Videos are highly engaging and can convey your message more effectively than text alone. Section 5. The ultimate marketing weapon, building real connections. But the ultimate marketing weapon, building real, genuine connections with your audience. In today's world, people crave authenticity. They can spot a sales pitch a mile away. Focus on building a brand that people can connect with emotionally. Share your story, be transparent, and show the human side of your business. Engage in two-way conversations with your audience. Respond to comments and messages, ask for feedback, and show that you genuinely care about your customers. Remember, marketing isn't just about selling, it's about building lasting relationships that translate into long-term success. So, go out there, connect with your audience, and watch your business soar.